Hey friends, it's time for another episode of Book of the Week. We're here in the James D. Ennich Library at the Vermont Center for Photography in Brattleboro, Vermont, with Nick Meyer, artist, photographer, educator, bookmaker, and just all-around good guy. And we're going to be talking about A Dialogue with Solitude by Dave Heath. So Nick, tell us what it is about this book that you brought it with you to talk to us about. What is it that really captures your imagination about this?
Yeah, this book has been kind of a template for me in how I work lately. In that, I think he made this book in the late 50s, and it was work that he compiled between various events in his life, and as it took turns, the Korean War as a soldier, Washington Square Park and the beatnik scene, civil rights movements. And it's all in there, but not necessarily meant to be about any one of those specific moments in time, but rather about the feeling that the images can produce.
You noted this image, this spread in particular. What is it that we're seeing here that really gets you going?
It's largely this guy playing the harmonica, which would lead back to this idea that's, if we know enough of this, that it's in Washington Square Park and the street musician scene. But the way that the picture is used is not to illustrate the sort of busker on the street, but rather the dirty fingernails as well as the darkness in the landscape, and they play off each other in that.
So you talked about this book being, you referred to it as a template, sort of, for how you're working. How do you feel like this has guided you in your making of work or making of books?
I think it's largely that an image can carry more than what's inside it. That these images, while they're based in the real world, the power lies in how they go together. Mm-hmm. And so the way that it's edited, the way that the overall experience of the object of the book comes together with the images is more than just telling me a direct story. It's asking me to dive a little deeper and into an emotional landscape.
Right, so it sort of invites the viewer to become sort of part of the story, and like you said, sort of creating their own. What about the text? Is the text a big part of it for you? We see sort of sprinkled in here.
I have to say, so what he does in this is he uses a lot of little snippets of poetry and lines, but it's actually his own writing in the beginning that I find resonates the most with me, where he talks about the disillusionment of the moment. And this is, like I said, came out in the 50s-ish, around the time that we were sort of post-war. And the general kind of outlook was this rosy picture when there was this sort of underground ennui that was being felt about how things were.
Right.
And in fact, this is the newer edition of it, and it has a letter from Robert Frank, which is really, this is the sort of U.S. cousin to the Americans.
Right.
Where they are very much photographs of the world, but they're not necessarily about the American flags and the Americans, but it's about the tropes and the symbolism of it all.
Right. Robert Frank's book, The Americans, famously sort of panned at its release, and sort of a picture of America that people maybe didn't see or weren't kind of willing to see. Right. That's a great way to put it. Sort of the cousin. It's an interesting way to think about it. We do not have this book in our library, but we do have a couple of Nick's books. We've got either Limits or Contradictions, and also The Local. For these books, right, I don't know if you mind if we just take a look at a few images, right? What about the structure of A Dialogue with Solitude do you sort of see within, for instance, this book?
This book has, I would say, the poetry in it more. And thinking about how images, well, this book is largely about the transitions of moments in one's life. The images are kind of used not so much as a direct line, but more as metaphor and as ways to get from point A to point B, like a real connect the dots.
Right, that same sort of invitation that you feel looking at a dialogue with solitude. So I would encourage you out there in internet land to come on down to VCP, enjoy the library, and come and check out Nick's books. We've got Either Limits or Contradictions. We've got The Local. And Nick has a new book coming out, Good Bones, which we expect to have available here to see in the not too distant future. So that's Book of the Week for this week. Thank you, Nick.
Yeah,
I really appreciate it. Yeah, we got a dialogue with solitude, as well as a couple of Nick's own books. The library here at VCP is open whenever VCP is open. Come on and take a look. We'd love it if you had a look at our books. And if you like our videos, go ahead and like and subscribe. Follow our channel, and we'll be back soon with another Book of the Week.